Office politics. The mention of that alone makes some people cringe because you feel like, oh my God, you may have been a victim of office politics and you have this impression or perception that everything about office politics is negative. Today I'm here to tell you that it is not all negative and it doesn't have to be. It could be negative. Some people play it like ruthlessly. But I want you to know that office politics is something you cannot get away from. So long as you have people in an organization working together, there's competition, there's people wanting to move forward, and there are people with different kinds of values. Some people just don't have the right kind of values, if I may say. So sometimes you find that things happen that should not happen. However, office politics does not have to be negative. In fact, you can use it for your advantage to grow your career. So today, I'm going to be talking to you about navigating office politics for your career advancement. Hello, my name is Halima. Welcome back to my channel. I'm very excited to share with you what I have for you today because I believe it's really going to help you. For some of you, it's going to give you a total mind shift about office politics. It is something that you would encounter, but if it is managed effectively, it can propel your career to new heights. In the first part, it's a two-part series. So in the first part, I'm going to look at some strategies, for building alliances and managing relationships in such a way that, builds positively for your office politics. Creating strong alliances within the workplace can open doors and provide you with valuable support as you move up in your career. So the first thing that I'll share with you about that is to identify key players. So take time to observe who are the people that are influential individuals within your workspace or within your organization. There are people whose opinions matter. In every organization, there are people that when they say certain things, their opinions matter. And those are the kind of people sometimes that have the ears of management or the ears of the boss. And it is not, sometimes they're not management staff. They're not even up there. They could be anywhere. They could be at any level. So that's why you need to be observant and you need to take note of, who are these people that matter and that can impact on your career. They might, like I said, not be up there. They may be just colleagues, but be sure to look out for those kind of people. Number two thing is to build genuine connection with people. So networking again is not just about a casual hi once in a while, oh, can I have your phone number, and you never reach out. It's about forming authentic relationships. Engage in conversations beyond even the workspace. Be interested in other topics like their interests. What interests them? What are their hobbies? What are their experiences? What are their perspectives on certain things? So engage people in conversations and be intentional about connecting. Go beyond communicating to people, to connecting with them. This will help you create a lasting connection with important people and with everybody, really. Everybody is important, but those particular group that you want to make sure you engage, and every other person also. Then offer help and support. Be supportive to your colleagues. Demonstrate your value and willingness to contribute to whatever they're doing. They're working on a project. Always be seen as a good team player, someone that wants to help with the success of the team. Offer assistance when you can. When it's possible. It may be a helping hand on a project. It may just be sharing your expertise with them or simply lending a helping hand. So by being a good team player, you become an asset and others want to collaborate with you. So because they see you collaborating with them, like the saying, one good turn deserves another. So I'd like you to think, who is that one person that you want to bring or build a stronger connection with? Let's make this practical. Reach out to them this week. Offer to assist them or express interest in something they do, and let me know in the comment section what you did and how it went. So the fourth thing you need to do is to stay informed. Stay updated on the organizational changes, trends, and development. So be sure to know what is happening. Don't be aloof. Don't be far from information. Being informed positions you as somebody that is engaged and valuable, an invaluable team member. Attend company-wide meetings. So when there are meetings that is open, read internal memos, if you have newsletters or whatever, just keep yourself updated and follow industry news and whatever is happening in your organization. Don't always be that person that is the last to know when things are happening, because the more you know things, the better you can strategize, to position yourself to take advantage of what is happening. Now, the next thing is be a collaborator. Participate in, cross-functional projects and teams. So, collaborating with colleagues, what it does for you is that it helps you, from different departments especially, it helps you to gain experience. So you know how certain things work that are not even part of your own direct assignment. So you're becoming vast, you're becoming more knowledgeable, and it increases your visibility. Because when projects are happening and you're there, so within the organization, people see you as collaborating with this project, collaborating here and there, offering value, you become more visible. Then the next one for today, and the final one, the sixth one, is advocate for your ideas. So when you have ideas that they're good, when it is appropriate, share those ideas and make suggestions for improvements. So contributing positively to the organization can help you gain recognition. So present those ideas with confidence. So when you have it, research it well, and then demonstrate how it aligns with the company's goals. And once you're doing that, you're bringing value to the table, you've done your research and you're coming, it positions you. And by so doing, you're playing politics, so to say, but you're doing it in a good way by adding value and doing the right thing. So take a moment and think about your career and the recent developments in your industry or in your company. How can you actively stay informed about it? Or how can you, looking at what is happening, how can you suggest ways to move forward to improve certain things? I'd love to hear from you, and I'd love to see you next week, because next week we're going to be finishing this 2-part series on how to navigate office politics for your career growth and advancement. So I hope I've been able to help you. If I have, click on the like button, like this video, share it with someone that will need it, and subscribe to this channel if you have not done so already. Thank you so much for being here with me. I believe in you. I believe in your career. I can't wait to see you crushing your career goals. Thank you once again, and I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.